So what is going on, guys, and what is going on, koi partners? Welcome back to a new episode here on the channel. In today's video we will show you part 2 of the pond visit at Siebe, his place. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Siebe has 3 selling ponds here in the garage. The farm has customers. We got some light, so that's good. We got another bowl, and we got of course 3 beautiful trickle filters. We got the mid Siebe over here. Aqua Forte. Some air supply, so he made those by himself. So he cut those things and those covers. You can lift them up quite easily. Well, I hope. So
yeah, you can.
There we are.
You can push them into the filter.
So that's quite smart design. We got some nice fish in here as well. So Siebe just told me he wanted to show some sangha from the Shintaro Koi Farm. Of course, our friends of the channel, Kensuke, Kosuke, and of course their father. Mr. Saito. So we just brought not bought. We also had a little present for Siebe. Of course, some Proba's koi food. Really good koi food. We got some other koi food. I don't know the brand, but Siebe is quite happy with it. But
Best of fruit. It really is good.
So this is Tosai, right? Or
yep.
On this side?
Tosai.
Tosai from Shintaro Koi Farm. So we got here Tosai Sangha from Shintaro. And this one will change a lot in the upcoming years. There is the second one, also very beautiful one.
Tosai, I guess they are now 36, 38 cm. This one is a little bit smaller. But yeah, I really like the quality. Shintaro, trademark is the skin. And like you see here, don't know if you can see it on video.
Yeah, it's really good.
Really shiny.
Really shiny skin.
Yeah.
Matsunosuke bloodline.
Mm-hmm.
And I will put a link in the corner right now if you want to see the interview also with Masaru Saito at the Shintaro Koi Farm from last February when I visited his farm, and he was free enough to show me his best Taragoi, and he can explain everything about skin quality. So if you want to visit that video after this one, feel free to click on it and of course watch that movie. But yeah, back to those 2 beautiful fishes. As Siebe already mentioned, the skin quality is very good. Even the sumi. Sumi is the black. It's really on top of the fish, and
yeah, they've been inside for a while now, so the Benny went a little bit back. But if you see the start of the scale, like the center of the scale, it's really bright orange or red, how you want to call it. So if you put them outside again with the UV of the sunlight, they will get back to this Benny again instead of a little bit more tinnish now.
Yeah, so it's what is great. In one of the videos about 2 years ago, John Lentis from the States, buddy from there, he really explained everything about the Matsunosuke bloodline, and as you can, it looks like 3D. He explained it back in the days like 3D, and I will try to zoom in a bit, and now you can see what Siebe also mentioned a couple of seconds ago. It's the depth, it's the middle of the
a
skill. And it's pretty good. So those fish, if they get some more sunlight, they will get even better, and they're also quite good at the moment. Yeah, great.
That's very nice.
Thanks, buddy, for showing me.
No problem. Thank you for coming.
Yeah. So, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. We're gonna drink some water or beer, so we'll see. Don't forget to go to Siebe's Instagram page and Facebook page, at the Koi page.
Or the koipage.com.
Exactly, really good. And what do they need to do more? Subscribe to
the Koi Farm.
Really good. Guys, thank you for watching. Give the video a like. And again, thank you for the hospitality, Siebe. And see you next time, guys.
Bye.
Alright guys, so before you leave, I have some great footage from last year in Japan. As you may know, because of the current situation, it's very hard to travel this October to the holy grails, the holy grounds of the Nishiki-goi in Niigata, Japan. But fortunately, we have some very good contacts in Japan, and we are able to get some really cool footage from the harvests in upcoming weeks. So stay tuned, enjoy some of the footage from last year, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video, and enjoy your weekend. See you next time.